This seed used all its strength to leap down, choosing what it believed to be the perfect soil to grow in. Before long it sprouted into a tender little seedling. It arrogantly refused to let any animals come near. Then a ray of sunlight shone down. Feeling the sun for the first time terrified it, and it flinched in fear. But as the sunlight warmed its body, it began to grow rapidly and vigorously. However, as its leaves started to sprout, its pride began to grow as well. One day a tall tree blocked all the sunlight. Furious, the little seedling demanded the big tree to move aside, but the tall tree simply scoffed and mocked it. Yet the next moment, when sunlight broke through again and reached the little tree, its roots spread throughout the entire forest, reaching even into the river, eventually draining it dry and leaving the fish gasping for breath. Even as every other plant around it began to wither, it remained indifferent, focused only on being the largest tree in the entire forest. It still arrogantly refused to let any birds rest on its branches, until one day, a terrifying storm swept through the forest. The arrogant tree began to shake violently, yet even then, it refused to offer the birds shelter under its branches. Soon its roots began to tear apart, unable to withstand the powerful storm, and it was finally uprooted completely. At that moment, a bird landed on one of its exposed roots. Even then it selfishly refused to share. The next second, the largest tree in the forest collapsed with a thunderous crash. The other plants in the forest could finally breathe again. The river began to flow once more, and the forest gradually returned to life, until one day, that arrogant tree sprouted a brand new seed.